Good morning, students. Geography chapter 4 Agriculture. In this chapter, today we'll discuss about cropping patterns. India is rich in diversities on the basis of physical features. Physical features include the relief features, climate, types of soil, land, etc. And plurality of culture is also found in India. So different types of cultures are practiced in our country. These are also reflected in agricultural practices and cropping pattern in the country. Various types of food and fiber crops, vegetables, fruits, spices, condiments, etc. These are some important crops which are grown in the country. And to grow all these crops, mainly there are three types of cropping seasons are followed in our country: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. First of all, we will discuss about Rabi season. Rabi crops are grown in the winter and harvested in the summer season. Seasons means month. The Rabi crops are grown in the October to December and harvested in April to June. Important crops of this season: wheat, barley, pea, gram and mustard. These crops are grown in large parts of India. States from the north and northwestern. In the north and northwestern of India, the states like Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand and UP are the important states for the production of Rabi crops, and mainly wheat. Availability of precipitation. Precipitation include rainfall, hailstorms, snowfall, etc. Availability of precipitation during winter months due to the western temperate cyclone. Because of these cyclones, rainfall come in the north part of India, and this precipitation help in the success of the Rabi crops. It is good for the cultivation of Rabi crops. However, the success of Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and parts of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of Rabi crops. Green Revolution also enhanced the cultivation of Rabi crops in our country. Next season is Kharif. Kharif season. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon. These crops are sown with the coming of monsoon and harvested with the end of monsoon. जो मानसून आते हैं, खारिफ क्रॉप्स को हम ग्रो करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. मानसून जब जाते हैं, with the withdrawal of monsoon, we harvested these crops. Seasons and months. These crops are sown in June to July and harvested in September to October. Major crops of this season: paddy, rice, maize, ज्वार, बाजरा, तूर, मूंग, उर्द, कॉटन, जूट etc. states or regions in Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, mainly along with the Konkan coast. In UP and Bihar, in all these states we grow the Kharif crops. In states like Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year. In a 1 year, 3 crops of rice are grown in the mainly in these states. First, Assam, second, West Bengal, and third one is Odisha. And these 3 crops are known as As, Aman, and Boro. Now, the last season is Jai season. In between the Rabi season and Kharif season, there is a short season during the summer months. This season is known as Jai season. Rabi crops are harvested in April to June. And summer Kharif season started in June to July. Suppose someone has harvested his Rabi crops in April. Then April, May and June. During these months, Jai crops are grown. Then he will start the cultivation of Kharif crops in July. Major crops of these seasons are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. Sugarcane is a crop which is not included in any other season, because sugarcane takes almost a year to grow, so we not consider it in Rabi, Kharif or Jai seasons, because it takes almost 1 year to grow. So today we have discussed about 3 types of season. One is Rabi, second is Kharif, third is Jaid. So these are cropping seasons, and these are also known as cropping pattern. That's all for today, students.